In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert individual blocks from other DWG files in AutoCAD. Start by opening AutoCAD with the drawing you want to add content to. With your drawing visible, go to the command line and type Blocks Palette. Then press Enter. This opens the Blocks palette, which is your central place to view and reuse blocks without leaving your current file. If you don't see it at first, it may be docked to the side. Just bring it to the front so you can work comfortably. Inside the Blocks palette, switch to the Libraries tab. This tab is designed to browse content that lives outside your current drawing. It's perfect for reaching into another DWG and pulling out just the block you need without importing the entire file. Next, click Browse Block Library. A file dialog will appear. Navigate to the DWG that contains the blocks you want. Select it and open it. AutoCAD will scan that file and display the blocks it finds in a clean visual list right inside the palette. Each thumbnail represents a block definition from that external DWG, so you can quickly identify the one you want by its preview. Now, to bring a block into your drawing, simply drag it from the palette and drop it onto your canvas. AutoCAD will prompt you for an insertion point. Click where you want it to go, and if prompted, you can also specify scale and rotation. The block is now part of your current drawing's block definitions, ready to be reused as many times as you like. A few practical tips as you work. If the block seems too large or too small, remember that AutoCAD respects drawing units. It will typically scale blocks automatically based on the source and target units. You can also set your current layer before you drag and drop if you want the inserted block to land on a specific layer. If you are dealing with many blocks, use the search field at the top of the Blocks palette to quickly filter by name. And if you plan to use the same external DWG frequently, keep the palette open. It's non-modal, so you can move and place blocks repeatedly without losing your place. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.